my internet friends? We are in Joshua Tree National Park. I am very excited to be here. I have never been camping before, especially car camping or nature things. We're gonna try doing some time lapses. We're gonna try doing some astrophotography. Right now, we are at this thing called Skull Rock. Apparently, it's a rock that looks like a skull, and get some sweet photos. Will be a lot of fun. So just kick things off, let's do a rock montage, as in rocks, not rock and roll. Yeah. So what's really a little nerve-wracking is we're doing this without a camping reservation. Oh, there's some speck still on my lens. Let's give that a quick brush. So no camping reservation, which means we're trying to find a spot to sleep. There is some first come, first serve, but we're not sure if that's gonna happen. So we'll see if we can get a spot to sleep. If not, we'll just go to this thing called BLM Land, which is Bureau of Land Management. I guess you can just go there and hang out, and really my goal was to get some sick nighttime photos, but it really depends if we can get a spot. Otherwise, there's like a Walmart we could stay at, or the parking lot rather, or go to the Morongo Casino, which is where we were last night. It's all up in the air, but what's really cool about this place is like, just look around. There's nothing here, but it just looks so cool with the texture of the land, the mountains. There's a lot of history here apparently, with mines and whatever else. So this place is real cool so far. I'm gonna go take some photos of this view here before the sun gets too high and then all the shadows are gross. Alright, so first stop is, I guess we're like near this Pine City place, so the map says we're here. We're gonna do this first after we make some breakfast. So breakfast first, and what we have is some oatmeal and some protein powder, because why not? And we're not gonna kill each other. So I guess maybe I could make a little montage of that. Yeah, let's do that. Hey Lindsay, thank you for making breakfast. What's for breakfast again?
Oatmeal with blueberries, and I have cranberries in mine with protein powder and peanut butter in it.
Nice. So, how'd you do it? You
just put instant oats in a bag, and then I put some blueberries and cinnamon, and then you boil some water and you put the water in, and you have to make sure it's instant oats.
Okay.
And then you just let it sit until it absorbs everything. You basically just put water in until it just covers.
Got it. And then inside that orange thing, it's like
it's a small propane stove. I'm sure you guys will see it later in the video, but.
Yeah. So it boils water, and then boil water go in there, and then you put protein powder in there, and then
you put your fat boy in there.
Yeah. So if you don't want to die and feel full and satiated, do this. So when we do our long hikes, we're fed.
I think you need to redo that one.
Oh man, that looks super good. Lindsay, thank you so much for making this happen. All right, Lindsay, we're gimbaled up. We're good to go. We're gonna go on a hike.
I don't know where I am.
Let's just go then.
Okay.
Okay, hike number 1. It is the Queen something mine. Apparently there is ore. I don't know. But it's about a mile-long hike, and we're 2 mile? Okay. And we're doing a little bit more. Oh, okay, they said 2.
Oh, it's a mile back and forth.
Got it. Okay. Well, anyways, it's gonna be a interesting one because I'm bringing too much stuff, like the gimbal and the camera bag and my 85, and yeah, maybe we'll see something exciting. Probably not though. But we'll make it look good anyways. Lindsay, are you getting some good shots?
I think so.
Take one. How's it look?
Looks okay. Want to see?
Yeah, sure. Do you know anything about the cactus gardens, like why they're special and all that? Like, it looks really pretty.
I don't know anything specifically. I can Google it. It's a huge patch of that specific kind of cactus.
Was it? Do you know if it's man-made or if it's artificial,
No,
or if it's natural rather?
it's natural. I don't. I want to say it's part of the reason might be because it's over a like groundwater. So that's why there's so many of them in such a small area, and they kind of happen to be in this like quote unquote garden or condensed area. But I would have to Google that. I just always thought it looked cool. I really.
Well, I'm glad we were able to knock it off your bucket list. So the rest of the plan for today is to try and get some high ground so we can get some sunset shots, and then camp for the night.
Something like that.
Awesome.
And dinner.
Oh, and dinner. So for dinner, we're doing an experiment, and we'll talk about that later. We still don't know where we're gonna be sleeping yet, by the way. Like, BLM land looked like it could be a thing, but we'd love to get a spot, but it might end up being BLM land. Ideally, I just need somewhere to sleep because I don't want to go to Walmart, right? Because that's just
Sad.
it's not sad. I'm sure there's a lot of people doing it, but I want to be here for the fun part. You know,
Pretentious shit.
yeah, I am.
Pretentious schnob.
Hey, you know what? Do it for the gram. All right, I think we found a spot, and we're gonna do this. And I'm not sure if we can sleep here, but the sun is way over there, and we're gonna try and there's some rocks over there as well. So we'll do that, and then hopefully we can find a place to sleep. Okay, got the tripod. Here are your sunglasses.
Thank you.
We're going over there now, and I have to fit through here without my backpack, or with my backpack. Let's see. Oh my God, I'm an extreme sportsman. Okay, internet. I'm gonna go silent for a little bit so we can do this photo thing. Take off my ND filter and get some sweet shots. I think those rocks right there are where we're going. Hopefully there's some good foreground there, and the sunset will be epic. Epico. I just cut through here. I lied, it's just dark enough so I can keep my ND filter off, or just bright enough rather. Oh man, this is hyper scary. Okay. Oh fuck. No. Oh man, I think this is the spot. Oh damn. Oh, alright, I'm sorry. Shutter speed going down. Oh I know, aperture. I guess that also works. Oh, here we go. This could work. I think this will work. Alright, I think nighttime begins. ISO is set back to auto, and look at, can you show?
I'm a great photographer.
Oh yeah, that's a great photo.
Hey, do you want the other one?
Yeah.
So is this one?
Nice. If anyone's watching this, go follow this person on Instagram. She's real good. Right?
I mean, I'm okay.
Okay. That looks gorgeous. And
look at the chemtrail of the plane that's going through.
yeah, it's like super. Like the camera can't see it, but there's a chemtrail right here. Maybe I'll zoom in and post. And it looks like this black sort of
like
orange.
Black, red soot, just like.
Interesting. I think it's time to
find a place to sleep.
Find a place to sleep.
And eat dinner?
And eat dinner, yeah.
Dinner.
We're doing some fancy shit tonight.
Fancy.
Alright, so BLM land?
I guess, yeah.
Alright, we'll see if it's actually reliable. Unless maybe one of these spots opened up. Oh yeah, and your backpack. Oh, thank you. This ND filter goes in the bag. Okay. Head clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are finally at our spot in BLM land. Sorry, I just want to make sure I was in frame. So we have Lindsay setting up. Thank you very much, Lindsay. And I'm setting up the time lapse. We have my light just so I can see what I'm doing. My tripod that's super sturdy. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind tonight. Let's play with this and just set that up there. Okay. And what we have is the Pixel Pro remote intervalometer, and I'm going to use this to basically do hundreds of shots rather, over a long period to hopefully get some cool star trails and whatever else for this shot. So, I'm going to put the vlog away and we're going to end with that, and hopefully it turns out well.
You're not going to show them dinner?
What?
You're not going to show them dinner?
Oh, because I have to set up the time lapse first. I guess we could eat first. Yeah, you know what? I guess we'll eat first.
Well, how about this? You can just put a little picture.
Of dinner?
A picture of
Alright.
dinner.
Well, we can do that. That seems like a better use of time, so we're not like wasting 30 minutes of like a 2-hour time lapse. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll see you guys later in the morning. Alright, so no ND filter, doing our last view. How pretty is that? We found a place to stay and doing some last minute sunrise shots. I'm really glad I did this trip. Camping is not normally my thing, but this was a new experience I really enjoyed. Let's get some shots and we'll see you in a little. Alright, I think that's a wrap. We have been all over the place driving hundreds of miles, car camping, it's cold. I haven't showered in 3 days. I think this is where I'll end it. But I hope that we, on this journey, you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to hit that like button or comment, or if you have questions on how I did some of the things, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, my name is John Jags. I will see you in that next video. Bye. Classic outro.